Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are gonna see how to create a simple touch sensing buzzer. The components required for this touch sensing buzzer are a large DC buzzer, a 9-volt battery, a NPN BC547 transistor, two non-insulated wires, a LED, a 1 ohm resistor, and preferably a small DC buzzer. Now let's see the connections of the touch sensing buzzer. First, I connected the collector of the transistor to the negative of the breadboard. Then I connected the emitter of the transistor to the negative of the LED. Then I connected one side of the resistor to the positive of the LED and the other side to the positive of the breadboard. Then I connected the two non-insulated wires to the base and the emitter of the transistor respectively. Then I connected the negative and the positive of both the buzzers to the emitter of the transistor. And at last I connected the negative of the battery to the negative of the breadboard and the positive of the battery to the positive of the breadboard. Now let's see whether it works or not. Now when I touch this my finger to this non-insulated wires, let's see what happens. As you can see, the LED glows and the buzzer produces sound. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and like my channel.